Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Ram 1500 oil pressure sensor. First, gather your tools, including a 27mm deep socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. This prevents accidental electrical shorts during the process. Having the right tools and taking these initial precautions will make the job much smoother. Now, let's find the sensor. It's typically located on the engine block, often near the oil filter housing. Once you've spotted it, carefully unplug the electrical connector. It might have a small tab you need to press or slide. Have a rag ready to catch any small amount of oil that might drip out when you remove the sensor. This helps keep your workspace clean and prevents spills. With the connector unplugged, use your 27mm deep socket and ratchet to carefully unscrew the old oil pressure sensor. It might be a bit tight, so apply steady pressure. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of thread sealant to its threads. Then, hand tighten the new sensor into place. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten it to 20 foot-pounds, ensuring a proper seal. After the new sensor is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks firmly into position. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal, tightening it securely. Start your engine and check for any leaks around the new sensor, and ensure your oil pressure gauge reads correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized. This completes the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.